Hey, what's going on? Coming right back at you. How y'all doing out there today on this Wednesday, hump day, middle of the week? And in this one, we are going to focus on or talk about Starry. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with Starry, but what I'm going to share with you right now, if you didn't already know, and yes, this is Cash App investing on Cash App. You can buy or sell stocks on from through the New York Stock Exchange by way of Cash App. All right, so Starry is, let me just show you right now. Starry, the share price is at 28 cents. It is a penny stock, and over over I'd say the last year, within the past year, it has went on a couple of runs, but I invested in this back, over the summer, early in the summer, and I set it up as a swing trade, and I kind of got stuck in it. Like I got stuck in it for probably 5 6 weeks. Every now and then that happens. Hey, I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know what every stock is gonna do. I can only speculate based on the numbers and based off of reports in the history. But anyway, let's look at what it did today. All right, and I'm gonna drag my finger up. Let's look at early morning hours when the market opened at 8:30. It was at 18 cents, and then it slowly started going up. You can see it's already at 90%. The gain is 90% by 10 o'clock a.m. Then you go up to 10:45. It's at 133. Then it peaked, as you can see here, at actually right at like 10:46. It hit 150% gain on the day. And yeah, I know a couple of you guys out there have reached out to me about this, asking me about it, and I said, hey, I do feel like it's a good one to swing trade, but I kind of got burned on it a little bit. But hey, if you stuck with it, if you hung in there and stuck with it on Starry, man, hey, congratulations to you. You held out and it paid off, especially if you were able to get in and take some profits today. I hope that you were able to do that. So and then real quick, we'll just look at what Starry is about. Let's see here. All right, so Starry Group Holdings Inc. is connecting people and communities to high-speed broadband internet using innovative wideband hybrid fiber fixed wireless technology. It is deploying gigabit capable broadband to the home without boundaries, or I'm sorry, bundles, data caps, or long term contracts. The company is building a platform for the future by putting customers first, protecting privacy, ensuring access to an open and neutral net, and making affordable connectivity and digital equity a priority. So there you go. So in a nutshell, they offer high speed internet. I'm not sure if that's like a direct service or if they kind of uh, support maybe some of the major brands out there. I'm not sure about that, but anyway, let's take a look at another big gainer on the day. These are the biggest daily movers. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so either consult a licensed professional or do your own research before you invest in the stock market. All right. So Chegg is up 21% on the day. Let's look at the peak. Hold on. It actually peaked 27.2% at 10 o'clock a.m. So Chegg went on a very nice run today, and if I'm not mistaken, Chegg is a company that really came on the scene around when the pandemic hit. They offer, I think, service book educational services to students and teachers at home. I think they offer textbooks, learning devices, things like that. So yeah, Chegg really took off and did its thing, and I hope maybe some of you got some nice profits off of this today as well. All right, so there you have it. And overall, Let's see. Yeah, this is my portfolio. I'm down 6.3% on the day. Still holding on to a lot of my investments. We're in a bear market, as you can see right now. I'm down really big on some of them, but I don't have a ton of money in bet. As you can see, I have let's see. Well, it won't show. I have roughly about it's about 15 to 1600 in all invested in Cash App investing. So I'm down about roughly close to 50%. So I'm in this for the long haul. I'm holding on, and I'm swing trading over on Robinhood simply because I can trade in the pre-market hours and post-market. And then um, sometimes I still swing trade on Cash App as well because it's so easy to do it, especially if I'm trading during the day. During the main part of the market hours. But anyway, that's all I have for y'all, man. I hope y'all are having a wonderful mid part of the week, middle part of the week, and we just, hey man, we're holding on, man, and y'all just keep doing your research, stay in touch with what's going on out there, stay in tune with the news, the stock news, the financial news, man, and I'm gonna help you guys out with that as well. I'm gonna be reporting things that go on. Of course, the Fed raised interest rates again today. So, you know, what they're trying to do is they're slowing down the real estate market big time. And, maybe that will also result in rentals coming down some as well, or kind of flatline, stagnating. We'll see. But anyway, y'all have a good evening.